Transportation is the indispensable backbone of society. Transportation enables everyday life, every minute, every hour, every day. Living in an era of exponential change, brands must be ahead of time. They must offer answers before trends turn into needs, requirements, or even restrictions. What will come next? How do we meet future challenges? How do we improve air quality and reduce noise pollution? We have started to look for answers years ago, and today we are the first to have a product in the market. Our e-Canter is the first all-electric truck in series production and in customer hands. Having completed more than 120,000 kilometers of fleet testing on 3 different continents, FUSO excels with its long-term expertise in hybrid and electric drivetrains, making this light-duty truck a perfect solution for the last mile and urban distribution. As the front-runner in electric trucks, we are introducing FUSO, a product brand entirely dedicated to electric-powered commercial vehicles. For delivery in our cities, for heavy distribution, for our customers and their customers, for you. World premiere, the FUSO Vision 1, an all-electric heavy-duty truck representing our view of the future of trucking. With bold exterior styling, a pure and minimalistic interior, and an intuitive digital connectivity system, it is designed around the needs of drivers and owners. Offering a range beyond 300 kilometers, this truck will extend electric-driven logistics far beyond the city boundaries. FUSO, we are making the difference. We are leading the way to zero-emission transportation, accelerating enduring success for our customers. The future is electric. FUSO.